Locate cabinets and identify the numbers located inside. The numbers are in sequential order. Working left to right, place the second lowest number cabinet on the bottom bracket. Place the lowest number cabinet on the top bracket, directly above the bottom cabinet. Using the provided hex key, lock all horizontal and vertical cam locks. Turn left or right to lock or unlock, depending on orientation. Repeat until all cabinets are secured into place. Plug the data and power cables in where the top and bottom cabinets meet. Locate bezel pieces and identify the left and right sticker located on the inside. Starting from the bottom, working up, gently push bezel pieces into corresponding sides to lock. 6 pieces per side, varies by size. Position the soundbar in place, then lock using the provided hex key. Turn left or right to lock or unlock, depending on orientation. Take note of the column identification stickers provided on each wire. Locate the unmarked male black speaker wire and connect it to the female black speaker wire. Connect all power and data cables in the soundbar to their corresponding column locations. All wires and locations are marked with corresponding numbers. Install magnetic speaker grills by resting the bottom inside the soundbar and gently pushing the top until the magnet clicks. There are 2 magnetic grills, and order does not matter. Locate extra module boxes. One box contains 5% extra modules for accidental damage or failures. Open modules and identify the pin connectors located on the back of the module, the magnets, and the up arrow indicating the module orientation. Place all magnetic modules on the cabinets by aligning the pin connectors and gently pushing until the magnets click. The order does not matter. There are 2 power cords. Plug power cords into a dedicated 20 amp circuit. Power on using a physical button located on the bottom right of the video wall, or with the provided remote.